Okay. So we're going to now practice how to write the equation for a quadratic from a table or a graph. So let's first look at a table. So the first thing I want to do is find the x-intercepts. Okay? And so if I remember, so when I'm looking at this, I'm looking for when y is 0. So y is 0 here and here. So that is those are my two x-intercepts. Okay? Okay. So then step number 2, I set my x-intercepts equivalent to x. And so that means I say x equals -3 and then x equals 2, okay? 3, I want them to go to 0. Go to 0. That means I need to add 3 here and subtract 2 here. And so I get x plus 3 equals 0. And then x minus 2 equals 0. Awesome. So now I have my two portions of my quadratic. And so now I say x plus 3 times x minus 2 equals 0. And then I get x plus 3 times x minus 2 equals y. Okay? And that is my equation for a quadratic. Okay? From a table. Now, let's say I'm given a graph. Okay. And it goes like this. Okay, and I'm given the fact that this is 0, 0, and this is 4, 0. Okay? So I do the same thing. I say x equals 0, because that's one x-intercept, and then x equals 4. Okay? So since x equals 0, that's just x. I leave that there. Now I go x, I subtract 4 from both sides, and so I get x minus 4 equals 0. Now I say x, because that's my first, okay, and then my second is x minus 4 equals 0, and so my equation is x times x minus 4 equals y, and that is my equation. Okay? Now, if this was a different number, then I'm going to go ahead and solve it slightly different. Now, let's look at one more example, a little bit harder example, just so that we have it. And so let's go, here's my quadratic, boom. Okay, and so this is the point -1/2, 0. And then this is 3/2, 0. Okay? Now, I do the same thing. I still do the same thing. I set x equal to -1/2, and I set x equal to 3/2. Now, the difference with this one, I don't want fractions. If you guys remember, we don't really want fractions. So I want to get rid of the fractions. So on this one, I'm going to be multiplying by 2. 2, okay? And so I get 2x equals -1 and 2x equals 3, okay? So now I add 1 and I subtract 3. So I get 2x plus 1 equals 0, and then 2x minus 3 equals 0. So then my equation is 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 3 equals y. Okay? I can set to 0, or I can just go directly to